Okay, so sino-sino pa dito? Alright, so let's officially start yung greetings natin. Okay, 1, 2,
Okay,
3,
so nandito na
go!
si Teacher Echo. Alright, so let's start.
Hello mga
Hello mga
ka-tree!
Hello mga
ka-tree! Yo!
katriyo!
Yo!
Hello
Okay.
po.
Okay, so I am Teacher Nikki, the top three.
And I am Teacher V, the top 4.
And I am Teacher Echo, the top 10. And we
And
are
we are
We
the
are
the
the
Trio
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 Top
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 Natchers.
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 Okay.
Okay, di ba?
Di ba
Alright,
ganun?
so yun talaga yung pinaka-paborito nating gawin. Okay, alright. So, mga katreo, so, especially dyan sa ating mga March 2023 let takers, sagot-sagot po kayo, no? And, balikan nyo po yung video namin, no? Para, um, mas mabuti po kasing maulit-ulit nyo yung mga questions. Okay? Alright. So, let's start with number 1. Okay. So, number 1 po, fossils are mostly to be found in blank. Okay. Saan ba mostly makikita yung mga fossils? Anong kind of rocks ba yun? Okay, so sagot-sagot po kayo mga katreo. Is it letter A, plutonic rocks? Letter B, metamorphic rocks? Letter C, sedimentary rocks? Or letter D, igneous rocks? Ano kaya yung tamang sagot dito? Okay, sige nga. Alright, so last October 2, 2022, maraming lumabas na science. Kaya ngayong new curriculum, huwag pakampante, okay? Pag-aralan natin yan lahat. Okay, so tingnan nga natin kung meron bang nakakaalam. Ano ba yung tamang sagot dito sa number 1? Fossils are mostly to be found in what kind of rocks? Okay, so wala pang sumasagot. Okay, pag makita kong isa lang, then okay na yon. Alright, so may sumagot ng letter C. Tama kaya? Okay, so let's check. Alright, so ang tamang sagot dito, Katreo, ay letter C. Very good. Good job. Okay. So, sedimentary rocks po ang tamang sagot. Okay? Again, fossils are mostly to be found in sedimentary rocks. Yan po yung sagot. Ano ba yung explanation dito? Tingnan nga natin kung bakit hindi pwede sa metamorphic rocks at bakit hindi pwede sa igneous rocks. Okay? So, yung plutonic rocks, hindi po yan kasali dyan. Distractor po iyan, okay? So, wag po kayong padala dyan, okay? Alright, so let's discuss the igneous rocks first. Okay, so the igneous rocks is usually formed from extremely hot magma. Okay, so magma and lava can't contain any life forms because they come from the deepest, okay, and the hottest places on the earth where life is impossible. Okay, so ano nga ba yung igneous rocks? 'Di ba? Meron siyang magma and lava. Okay? At saan galing? From the deepest and the hottest places. Kapag deepest and hottest places. So meaning, hindi po imposible. Okay? Hindi po, hindi po possible. No? Hindi possible yung life. Okay? So hindi nyo makikita dyan ang fossils. Okay? Alright, so please take note of that, mga katrail. Okay. So next, let's have sedimentary rocks. Ito po yung sagot sa tanong natin. Ano ba yung sedimentary rocks? Okay, the one type which can contain fossils because these rocks are formed on the earth's surface under the water at a very low temperatures and pressures. Okay, nakikita nyo ba yung definition? Okay? So ito lang yung rocks na nagko-contain ng fossils, no? Because the rocks are formed on the earth's surface under the water, no? So possible talaga yung life diyan, okay? So kaya makikita natin yung fossils dito. Okay? So sana ay you have to remember that. Okay? So please take note mga katreo. Okay, so dapat kung alam natin yung sagot, alam din natin kung ano yung reasons, okay, yung explanation. Okay, next. We have here metamorphic. So bakit hindi naman posible makita yung fossils sa metamorphic rocks? So metamorphic rocks do not contain fossils or traces of fossils because the metamorphic rocks are made by pressure and heat. Okay? So kapag made by pressure and heat, so hindi rin posible yung life. Okay? So imposible na makita mo yung fossils. Okay? So hindi siya magko-contain ng fossils. Okay? So gets na ba mga katreyo? Okay, so ano nga ba yung tamang sagot? Fossils are mostly found in sedimentary rocks. Okay, so good job. So please take note of that. Let's have number two. Okay, number two na po tayo. Now, which of the following waste materials, okay, is not a biodegradable waste material? Saan dito yung hindi biodegradable? Okay, let's have letter A, dried leaves. Letter B, food leftovers. Letter C, styrofoam, or letter D, paper. Okay? So, tingnan nga natin dito yung ating mga March 2023 and September 2023 let takers. Kung ready na ba kayo sa exam? Okay, so wow, ang galing nila. So, merong nakatama ng sagot. Okay. So, ang tamang sagot dito ay letter C, of course. You are correct. Good job, mga katrio. Okay. All right. So, ano ba yung explanation dito? Okay, so let's discuss. Alright, yung paper po, it is made of plant. Alam na alam natin yan, di ba? Paper is made of plant, kaya it is biodegradable. Alright? Ang food naman, anything that can be eaten can be composed. Okay? Alright. So, biodegradable pa rin yung food. Alright, yes, no? And we have here styrofoam, non-biodegradable. Yes, no? Okay, so dili siya, o sa Bisaya pa, dili malata. Nga naman, it is specifically made from the polystyrene, okay, or the plastic. Okay, so please remember that. Okay. So, ang galing ng ating mga katreya, no? Especially sa ating mga March 2023 let takers. Alright. So, ano nga ba yung tamang sagot dito? Again, it's letter C. Okay? Styrofoam. Alright. Now, let's have number 3. An acid substance. Ano yung function ng acid substance? Okay? Okay. Let's have letter A. Donates proton. Okay? Accepts proton. Neither donates nor accepts. Or none of the above. Okay. So, ano ba yung tamang sagot? Sabi ni Red Vlog, kakayanin daw for the new curriculum, tray of top notchers with your big help po and inspiration. Thank you so much po. So, wag po kayong mag-alala. Nandito po ang tray of top notchers at tutulungan po kayo. Okay? So, wag po kayong mag-alala. Okay, so ano ba yung tamang sagot dito sa number 3? Tingnan nga natin. So, dapat maraming sumagot dito. Okay, alright. So, ano ba yung tamang sagot? May sumasagot ng letter A, may sumagot ng letter D. Okay, so check nga natin kung ano yung tamang sagot. Okay, so ang tamang sagot po dito ay letter A. Okay, so an acid substance donates proton. Again po, ano yung tatandaan nyo? An acid substance donates proton. Okay, so ano ba yung technique dito para mas madaling matandaan? Okay? So yung word dyan na acid, meron dyan letter D. Letter D yan, di ba? So, an acid donates proton. Ganun na lang, no? Acid donates proton. Ganon. Yung word na D dyan, okay, ano nyo na lang, i-connect nyo na lang yung word na donate. Okay, again, an acid donates proton. Okay, so, sino yun? Ang nag-a-accept. Okay, alright. Ang nag-a-accept ay yung, tingnan nga natin kung alam ba nila. O, meron nang sumagot, no? Nag-a-accept ng proton ay yung base. Okay? Again po, base accepts protons. Okay, so please remember that. So, ano ba yung tinatandaan ni Teacher Nikki para hindi na makalimot dito? So, yung base dyan, meron siyang word, meron siyang letter na A. So, yung ginagawa ko, accepts protons. Ganon, no? So, base, accepts protons. And acid donates protons. Ganon lang, no? Yung mga technique natin dyan, kasi marami tayong kailangang pag-aralan. Okay? So, para hindi ma-mental block at hindi makalimot. Okay, so now let's have number 4. Okay, so mga tao na naman tayo. Okay? So, let's have number 4. He evolved the theory of evolution in his book, Origin of Species. Okay. So, sino ang tamang sagot? Okay. Alright, so ano yung tamang sagot dito, no? So, dapat hindi kayo magkamali dito. Okay. Okay, so ano yung tamang sagot dito? Alright, so may nagsagot ng B, lahat sila B. Wow, very good. Okay, so ang tamang sagot dito ay of course, no, walang iba, alright, si Charles Darwin. Very good mga katreo. Okay, so again po yung tatandaan nyo sa ano yung tatandaan nyo kay Charles Darwin? Origin of species, okay? Sa kanya yan. Theory of evolution. Okay, so ano naman yung tatandaan nyo kay Albert Einstein? Kay Johannes Kepler at Archimedes, no? Tinatanong din sila sa board exam, okay? At hindi sila pwedeng mawala sa new curriculum, no? Okay, so pag-usapan natin yan. Let's have Albert Einstein. Yung tatandaan niyo dyan mga katreo, theory of relativity. Okay? Albert. Albert, may R dyan. Relativity. Ganon. Ganyan. Ano yon? Albert, okay? May R dyan sa ngalan ni Albert, relativity. Okay? Theory of relativity. Okay, next, we have Johannes Kepler. Ano yung tatandaan nyo kay Johannes Kepler? May P sa surname ni Kepler, ni Johannes. P, planetary motion. Okay? Johannes Kepler, planetary motion. Okay, so please remember that. Okay, so we have here Archimedes. Okay, Archimedes. All right, so sa pangalan ni Archimedes, may letter M dyan. Ano yung tatandaan nyo? Mathematics. Idagdag nyo ang father of mathematics. Okay, ano po yon? Ano po yon? Archimedes. May letter M dyan. Okay, please remember mathematics. Dagdagan nyo ng father of mathematics. Okay. All right. So please remember that mga katri at huwag kalimutan. Okay, let's have number 5. Okay. Now the DOH warns the public about preservatives being used in vegetables. Okay? So what advice could you give with regards ensuring safe vegetables? Okay. So ano ba yung pinakatamang sagot dito or the best answer? Okay? Ayan. So, yan po yung kailangan nating hanapin, no? Yung best na answer. Ito po yung kailangan yung malaman, no, sa board exam, no? Kasi lahat naman pwedeng maging sagot. Kaya lang yung hahanapin yung kung ano yung best answer. Okay. So let's have letter A. Freeze the vegetables. Ito ba yung tamang sagot? Soak them with detergents. Ito ba yung tamang sagot? Letter C, wash the vegetables well with clean water. Or letter D, consume them immediately. Okay, so tingnan nga natin yung ating mga katreyo kung alam na alam ba nila ito. Okay. Alright, so lahat sila sumasagot ng letter C. Wow! Let's check nga kung tama ba kayo. Yes, very good mga katreo. Tama kayo dyan, okay? So, ang tamang sagot dito ay letter C, no? Wash the vegetables well with clean water. Okay? So, yung letter A, freeze the vegetables. Hindi naman po natin mai-ensure na kapag na-freeze na yung vegetables, no, safe na siyang kainin. Okay? So, hindi siya yung tamang sagot. Okay? Mali yung letter A. Soak them with detergents. Oh, tama ba yan? Okay. So, hindi rin, no? Hindi rin siya yung tamang sagot. Okay. So, letter D, consume them immediately. So, ano yan? Kailangan mo kainin agad. Okay. So, hindi hugasan. Okay, so mali pa rin, okay? So yung pinakatamang sagot dito ay yung letter C, no? Wash the vegetables well with clean water. Okay, so good job mga katrio. Alright, so ito na po yung mga inhanda kong questions para sa inyo. Okay, so wag po kayong mag-alala. Abangan nyo po yung aming mga next live namin. Mas marami pa kaming questions na ihahanda sa inyo. Okay? Now, I will give the floor to Teacher V para sa kanyang 6 to 10 items. Okay? So, Teacher V, sa'yo na. Okay.
So, one moment, i-share ko muna, Teacher Nick. Okay.
Okay. All right. So, we have
Sige.
already 32 viewers right now. Hello.
Perfect. Hello,
Perfect.
hello.
Yan.
So, ito na, Teacher Nick, paki-add.
Okay,
Na-share ko na.
sige. All right.
Perfect.
So,
Okay. So, simulan natin kaagad, no? So, number 6. Okay? So, I see names here ng mga students ko sa LET. Okay, so good thing that you are participating. Okay, so number 6. When does acid rain occur? Is it A, excess hydrogen is released into the atmosphere to produce acids, or sulfur released in burning fossil fuels combines with water in the atmosphere, or letter C, phosphorus-rich water in lakes evaporates to form phosphoric acid, or letter D, carbon dioxide combines with water in the atmosphere. So ano yung sagot ninyo? No? When it comes to acid rain. Acid rain. Mhm. Okay. So, tingnan natin if nakatumpak sila. Yung tamang sagot is perfect. That's letter B. Sulfur released in burning fossil fuels combines with water in the atmosphere. Excuse me naman. Okay? So, ano yung tatandaan natin kapag acid rain? Okay? So, ito yan, no? So, if it occurs when emissions from factories daw, cars or heating boilers contact with the water in the atmosphere. Okay? So, lagi po ninyong tatandaan na ano yung dalawang primary causes of acid rain. Ito po yung sulfur dioxide. Okay, take note. Sulfur dioxide tsaka nitrogen oxides. Yun po yung primary, okay, causes of acid rain. All right? Very good. Again, sulfur dioxide and your nitrogen oxides are the primary causes of your acid rain. Okay, so again, gases produced from burning fossil fuels react with what? With oxygen in the air and water vapor, transforming it into acids that fall onto the Earth's surface as rain and what we call now as acid rain. Okay? So, kuha naman po. Very good. Okay. And number 7. Many people have noticed that mushrooms flourish a few days following a lightning strike. Which biogeochemical cycle from the list below is engaged in this process? Ano kaya? Okay. Tingnan natin yung mga sagot-sagot ninyo. Okay, sabi letter D, may sumugot na si Raquel. Ana Altres, si Jean. D yung sinagot nila. So, tingnan natin if D talaga, no? So, kumidlat daw, tapos you notice kinabukasan may tumubo na mushroom. Tapos kinain mo yung mushroom. Tapos nahilo ka, Charis. Okay. So, yung tamang sagot naman is letter D. Very good. Okay. So, what is nitrogen cycle or the following cycle? Okay. So, first picture, we have the oxygen cycle. No? So, sa nakita nyo po, again, this is an oxygen cycle. Okay. So, again, plants create oxygen through photosynthesis. Okay. And of course, animals and plants breathe because of the oxygen that the plants emit, diba? Okay, and then in exchange, animals release carbon dioxide in order for the plants to intake that carbon dioxide to create oxygen. No? That's oxygen cycle. Alright? So, punta naman tayo dun sa phosphorus cycle. Okay, so, sa phosphorus cycle naman po, okay, this is still a biogeochemical process that involves the movement of phosphorus po through the lithosphere, hydrosphere, tsaka biosphere. Okay, tandaan nyo. And then, why phosphorus cycle po is important? It's because okay? This is, again, phosphorus kasi po is an important structure when it comes to genetic material. Okay? And in the composition po of the cell membranes, our bones, and our teeth. Okay? So again, phosphorus po is an essential nutrient for sustaining life on Earth. Kaya important din po yung phosphorus cycle natin. Alright? Now, punta naman tayo dito sa sulfur cycle. Okay, sulfur cycle. So, sulfur cycle po, dinidescribe po ito as a movement of sulfur through the geosphere and biosphere. Okay, so nire-release po yung sulfur through, no? I mean, galing po sa rocks through weathering. Okay? So, excuse me, sulfur naman po is very important for the functioning of proteins and enzymes in plants and animals. Tapos, nakadepende po yung plants sa sulfur. Kasi, plants absorb sulfur when it is dissolved in water. And of course, animals consume these plants. So they take up enough sulfur, of course, for their nutrients, or shall we say, to maintain their health. Okay? So that's why sulfur cycle naman is important. Okay? So punta naman tayo sa pangalawang picture, no? That's nitrogen cycle. Kapag sinabing nitrogen cycle, ito po yung sirkulasyon po ng nitrogen in various forms through nature. Okay? So nitrogen, it's also a component po of proteins and nucleic acids that is essential to life on Earth. Okay? So kapag may kidlat, okay, tutubo yung mushroom, that's nitrogen cycle, no? So basically, that's the question po of nitrogen cycle. So naway nakuha naman po yung explanation ko. Alright? Next po tayo, number 8. So PAGASA alerts the public that the seasonal winds are coming. The commonly used names are Amihan and Habagat, also known as blank and blank respectively on a global scale. Okay, so ano po yung sagot nyo dito sa number 8? Okay. So tingnan natin yung mga sagot-sagot nyo. Drop it below sa comment section. Okay, tingnan natin. May nag-A, may nag-A. Usually, ang sagot na letter A. Wow, galing naman nila. Okay, so, final ba yung letter A? Talaga ba? Okay. Letter A ba talaga? Of course, tama kayong lahat, okay? So when we say amihan, that's northeast monsoon. Kapag habagat naman, that's southwest monsoon. Okay? So maituturo mo naman akong shortcut sa inyo para hindi nyo malimutan. No? So ito yung ginawa ko rin para hindi ko makalimutan yung amihan at habagat. Okay? So sa nakita nyo po, the word ani. No? So this is, in-associate ko po itong ani sa friend po namin na kasabayan namin na mag-take ng board exam, si Annelyn Matugas. Shout out sa iyo, Annelyn, we miss you, no? So, Ani. So, Ani, bakit Ani? Kasi Amihan, Northeast. Kita nyo? Amihan, Northeast. Ani. Okay, kuha nyo ba? Ani, Amihan, Northeast po. Okay? So, usually si Amihan po, cool northeast wind po siya. Okay? And then the Philippines amihan weather pattern begins sometime in November or December and ends sometime in May or June. Kaya nga, tuwing mga Burr months, na naramdaman natin yung lamig, no? Yung lamig ng hangin. Hindi lamig dahil wala kayong jowa dyan. Okay, kundi lamig ng hangin. Okay? So, hindi kagaya ng kagaya po ito pala ng mga jowa nyo dyan or mga kachat nyo na sobrang cold na, no? Si Annie, Amihan Northeast. Okay, so nawin na po yung shortcut natin dyan. So, move on tayo kay Hasue. Hasue. O, kilala ba si Hasue? Nasa TikTok si Hasue. Hasue, Hasue, ganon. Okay? So, si Hasue kasi, siya po yung Habagat Southwest. Again, Hasue. That's your Habagat Southwest. Okay? So the southwest monsoon affects the country from late June to October. So yan po yung naranasan natin sa ngayon na sobrang maalinsangan yung init. Pero nagpupudos din po ito ng ano, ng malakas na ulan, no? So occurrence may also vary each year. The same with amihan, no? Occurrence may also vary each year. Okay? So huwag kalimutan si Ane na na-in-love kay Hasue. Charis, di ba? Again, Ane Hasue. Kuha niyo ba si Ane at si Hasue? Okay, move on tayo para hindi tayo masaktan. Alright? Number 9. What kind of mirror is used in cars to give the driver a wider area and smaller image of the traffic behind him or her? Okay? So, number 9 pa lamang tayo. So, sa mga kaklase nyo po na hindi pa nakakapasok dito or may mga teachers kayo na magti-take this March, i-share po ninyo tong link, no, para matulungan natin sila. Okay? So, ano yung sagot niyo dito sa number 9? So far, ilan na yung scores ninyo? 9/9 pa rin ba? Okay, 9/9 pa rin ba yung mga scores natin dyan? Okay. So far yung answer niyo naman ay tumpak ganern. Okay. So that's convex, no? Convex. Okay. So one of the most common uses for the convex mirror is to the passenger side mirror on your car. Oh, sana all my car, diba? These convex mirrors are used for cars because they give an upright image and provide a wider field of view. So as they are curved outwards. Okay? So again, so para hindi makalimutan, um, just remember the alphabetical order, no? Convex, wider. So meaning W, X, Y, Z, di ba? Magkasunod si W tsaka X. So convex, wider, no? Wider field, wider view, convex, WX. Kuha ba yun? Okay, that's convex. Tapos, kapag concave naman, ito yung usual na mirror na ginagamit natin, no? To reflect light inward to one focal point. So, yun po yung mga ginagamit natin to look at our teeth, no? If there are cavities, usually used by the dentists. Okay? And then ano-ano pa? Okay, so yung concave naman ginagamit, makikita rin natin sa sa inside a spoon. So kapag nakita mo yung malalim na part ng spoon, concave po 'yan. Pero pag binaliktad mo po yung spoon, that's convex, no? Convex kasi it projects wider view, 'di ba? Ang ginagamit mo rin sa makeup mo, use in your makeup mirror or your makeup mirrors, that's concave po. Okay, concave po yung makeup mirrors nyo. Tapos, used in headlights, still the same. Concave po yung ginagamit. Okay, kuha naman yung ating convex tsaka concave mirror. Okay, very good naman. Alright, so next, number 10. Mimosa pudica, locally known as Makahiya, is called as such because its leaflets tend to close when touched. This organismal response to a given stimuli is called what? Ano po itong tawag dito sa number 10? Okay, so sabi daw ni Ma'am Raquel, 9/9 siya. Perfect. Si Ma'am G naman, 7/9. How about the others? Ilan yung scores ninyo? Okay. Ganun. Alright. So yung tamang sagot naman is letter B. Very good. Thigmotropism. Okay? So kapag sinabi kasing hydro, no? Hydrotropism, from the word hydro, meaning the growth or the turning of plant root towards or away from the water or the moisture. Okay, from the word hydro means water kasi. Okay? Kasi meron tayong tinatawag na positive tsaka negative hydrotrophism. So when it will be considered as positive hydrotrophism, if no, if the shoot kapag positive hydrotrophism, the roots grow straight towards the water. Again, the roots po grow straight towards the water. That's positive hydrotrophism. Kapag negative hydrotrophism naman, yung shoot or yung stem goes away from the water. Okay? That's hydrotropism. I mean negative hydrotropism. How about thigmotropism? From the word thigmo kasi means touch, no? Touch. So, meaning to say, this is the turning or bending of a plant or other organism in response to a touch or stimulus. Okay, so meron kasing negative tsaka positive thigmotropism. Kapag sinabing positive thigmotropism, that's toward touch, meaning to say, kinakapitan ng plants tapos tumutubo po siya, nag-grow po siya. That's positive thigmotropism. So usually, yung mga vines, di ba? Yun po yung example ng positive thigmotropism natin. Okay? How about negative thigmotropism? Okay, so these are plants that close up when you touch. So example po nito yung Makahiya, kasi nahihiya siya kaya siya nag-close. That's negative thigmotropism. Kuha po ba? Okay, thigmo, that's touch. Okay, next po, meron naman tayong tinatawag dito na, ano to? This is geotropism. No? Geo means earth. Okay? So, meron din tayong tinatawag na negative tsaka positive geotropism. Pero ano yung geotropism? Okay? Geotropism, mga katriyo, that's the growth of the parts of the plants with respect to the force of gravity of the earth. No, gravity earth, because geo means earth. Okay? And the upward growth of plant shoots is an example of outward kasi or upward. So that's negative geotropism. Downward growth naman po ng roots, that's positive geotropism. Kasi nga, our gravity is pabagsak, di ba? Kaya root that grows towards gravity, that's positive geotropism. Kapag po naman No? Negative geotropism, shoots grows away from the gravity or the stem. Okay, that's negative geotropism. Okay, next po tayo. Phototropism, from the word photo. Photo kasi means light. Diba? Photo means light. So meaning to say, the orientation po of a plant or other organism in response to the light or the sun. No? Either towards the source of the light or away from it. So if it is towards the light or the sun, that's positive phototropism. Kapag away naman, that's negative phototropism. Okay, so again, movement towards the stimulus, which is the light, that's the positive phototropism, which is or which are the stems of the plant, right? That's positive phototropism. Pero kapag movement away, that's negative phototropism. Away from the light or away from the stimulus, which is the light. Okay? And that is, or those are the roots of a plant. Okay? So, kuha naman po yun. Perfect. Alright. Okay. So, naway nakuha naman po yun. Sino nakakuha ng perfect dito? Perfect. 10/10. Wala pang mistake. Gano'n. Okay. So, okay lang po na magkamali ngayon. Huwag lang sa board exam. 'Di ba? Okay. It's okay to have mistakes. Through mistakes, no? Natututo tayo sa ating mga pagkakamali, no? At mai-apply natin sa ating mga buhay-buhay, 'di ba? Okay, and then may announcement naman po ako before tayo mag-proceed kay Teacher Echo. So meron po kaming diagnostic exam this coming November 19, no? You will take the exam once you avail November 19. Tapos yung rationalization natin is November 20 po. Okay? And then you can join with only by paying only 50 pesos. Again, 50 pesos lang po yung i-pay ninyo. And that includes general education and professional education. Okay? For only 50 pesos. Sa gustong mag-avail, just PM us po sa aming FB pages, Teacher V, Teacher Nikki, tsaka Teacher Echo. Again, for only 50 pesos lang. No? Makakatake ka na ng diagnostic exam at rationalization and the next day. Okay? So yes, I'll stop sharing now. Okay, so 11 po, number 11, si Teacher Echo. So while waiting with Teacher Echo to enter the studio, okay, huwag nyo pong kalimutan na mag-like, share, at subscribe po sa aming YouTube channel, no? Sa ating growing na YouTube channel, mga katrio. So we are now currently at 18.2K subscribers. Okay? So hopefully naman po mag-grow po yung channel natin para marami po tayong matulungan around the Philippines or even outside the Philippines na gustong mag-take ng board exam for the new curriculum. Okay? Yes. So sa mga friends nyo po, mga kapatid, kapuso, kapamilya na gustong mag-take for the new curriculum at walang maiibang bayad, just stay tuned po sa aming YouTube channel kasi for free po ito. Yes. Thank you naman, Red Vlog. Okay. So, while waiting with Teacher Echo, magpapadrill muna tayo. Oh, nandito na si Teacher Echo. Finally. Okay. So, let me stop sharing muna.
Hello
Okay.
everyone! Okay, so hello. Sorry po nawawala po kami. Kaming Teacher Nikki kasi wala po kaming internet stable internet connection here. Pero let's patuloy na po, Char. Okay, let me share my screen.
Power share, mga katrios. Yes. Thank you, Farina.
All right. So nakita po ba? Yes po, nakita na po ba yung aking PowerPoint presentation? Nakita po ba, Teacher V?
Yes, kitang-kita.
Okay. Let's start na. Okay, so we have, may nakakuha ng 8/9, 6/9. Okay, may nag 9/9. Wow, perfect. Okay, so ito po ay from 11 to 15. Okay, so I hope ma-perfect kayo kasi ang easy ng exam na ito. Okay, very easy itong science na ito. Let's start. Okay, wait muna. Alright. So, let's start with number 11. Okay, pag sinabi kong 11, which refers to a group of islands closely scattered in a body of water. Again, scattered siya, guys. Okay? Scattered yung islands. Okay, in a body of water. So, ano po ito? Mainland, Gulf, Archipelago, or Sea. Okay. Alright. Okay, 11. B Gulf daw. Okay. Okay. Please read again the question para hindi po tayo maligwak. Okay, again, yung islands po, scattered siya sa bodies of water. Anong tawag nito? A. Mainland. B. Gulf. C. Archipelago. D. Sea. Okay, sigurado. Sigurado na ba na golf? Okay. So sa mga nag-golf dyan, raise your hand and sampalin yung sarili. Char. Okay, joke. Okay, ang tamang sagot po is archipelago po. Okay, archipelago po. Okay, so alam ko na mag-golf kayo. And so let's tackle about what is archipelago first. Okay? Archipelago, guys, ito po yung archipelago. Nakikita nyo naman na maraming islands, guys, na nag-scattered, okay, sa bodies of water. Okay? So it is a chain of islands or group of islands that are scattered in a location between rivers, lakes, or the ocean. Okay? Archipelago. Ang Pilipinas po ay tinatawag po na archipelago din. Okay? Philippine archipelago kasi yung mga islands po natin ay scattered po sa body of water. Okay? So next one, ano po yung Gulf? Okay, ito po yung Gulf. Okay? Huwag kayong magsagot ng Gulf. Okay, kapag ganun yung question, okay? Ang Gulf kasi, a Gulf is a portion of the ocean that penetrates the land, okay? Kapag may enclose, pag may nakita kayong word na enclose, Gulf na po 'yon, okay? Kapag sinabong penetrates, guys, enter. Okay? All right. So meaning ang ocean nag-enter siya or nag-enter siya sa land. So nakikita niyo naman sa picture, guys, makikita niyo dito na yung ocean nag-enter sa land. Okay, so this is partly enclosed. Okay, enclosed po yung land dyan. Alright, yan po yung Gulf. Alright, so next one, number 12. How many phases of the moon are there in 1 month? So ilang phases po sa moon? Alright, sagot-sagot. Is it 4, 6, 8, 10? Okay, so very easy lang po ito. Is it 4? Is it 6? Is it 8? Is it 10? Okay, so pagpasensya nyo na yung background ko. Alam kong na-distort yung faces ko dito, di ba? Di ba? So, laban lang tayo sa, alright. So, anong sagot? Wala pa ako nakitang nagsasagot. Is it A, B, C, D? Okay, comment your answer, guys. Okay, naglo-loading ba ako? Okay, may nag-letter C. Very good. Flor de Lin Ramirez. That's correct. C po, 8. 8 phases of the moon. Okay, so let's start. Let's rationalize. Why? Okay, why? Alright, so makikita nyo naman dito, okay, 8 po sila. Okay, let's start with new moon. We have waxing crescent. After waxing crescent, we have first quarter moon. And the fourth one is waxing gibbous. Then full moon, waning gibbous, last quarter moon, and waning crescent. Alright? 8 po sila. Okay, makikita nyo man dito, the primary moon, guys, phases happen at a specific moment in time, while the time between these moments are the intermediate moon phases. Okay, saan dyan ang mga primary moon? At saan dyan ang mga intermediate moon? Okay, malalaman na natin. Okay, ito po yung mga primary moons. Okay, si new moon, si first quarter moon, si full moon, and then last quarter. Sila po yung primary moon that happen at a specific moment in time. Alright? That's it. And ito po yung mga intermediate, okay? Intermediate modes. Alright. So, please take note of that. Please take a screenshot at mababalikan nyo naman ito. Right? So, if hindi kayo naka-take notes of this, you can always visit our YouTube channel. Okay? YouTube channel. Alright. Now, let's go to the next one. Okay? Number 13 refers to a break or crack in the Earth's crust. Is it epicenter? B. Fault. C. Fault line. D. Focus. Okay. Ito na po. It refers to a break or crack in the Earth's crust. Saan po ito? Epicenter, fault, fault line, focus. Mhm. Alright. So ano kaya ang sagot? Okay, may nagletter si fault line daw. Alright. Ang sagot po dito is fault po. Okay, fault. Letter B, fault. Fault po. It refers to a break or crack in the Earth's crust. Fault po yung sagot. Okay, bakit? Okay, makikita nyo naman. Tignan natin yung ang keyword sa question. Okay, break. Break. Kapag nag-break kayo ni crush, kapag nag-break kayo sa mga jowa nyo dyan, okay, sino ang sisisihin nyo? Di ba? Sasabihin nyo na, it's your fault. Charis. Di ba? Yan po yung mnemonics natin dyan. Okay, kapag break, 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 crack, 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 okay, fault po ni jowa. Okay, it's your fault. Okay, bakit nag-break tayo? Because it's your fault. Okay. All right. Now let's go here. Kapag sinabi kong fault, guys, ito po yung a crack in the Earth's crust. Okay? And kapag sinabi kong epicenter or key epicenter po, the spot directly above the focus. So meaning si focus po yung where the earthquake originates. Okay? Ang focus po, origin of an earthquake, and then above the focus is the epicenter. Okay, epicenter. Okay, again, above is epicenter, focus is the place where the earthquake starts, okay, or originates. All right, that's it. Now, I hope na naklaro na. Okay, let's go to number 14. Malapit na po tayong matapos. Insulin is secreted by which of the following organs? Okay, sino po yung mag-secrete ni insulin? Is it liver, pancreas, thyroid, pituitary? Okay, so I guess maraming ligwak po sa ating mga tanungan ngayon. Okay, may naligwak na sa number 11, sa number 12 and 13. So I hope hindi kayo maligwak sa 14. Okay, is it pancreas? Are you sure? Is it pancreas? Baka liver. Okay, that is pancreas. Amazing. All right, fantastic. Pancreas po yung sagot. Okay, insulin is secreted by pancreas. Okay, so look at that one. Saan si pancreas dyan? Is it the yellow one or the brown one? Okay, comment. Saan si pancreas? Hmm, yellow one or the brown one or the red one? Saan dyan si pancreas? Okay, so let's see. Okay, saan kaya si pancreas? Saan si pancreas? Tatang, yellow ata. Bakit may ata? Okay, yellow po. Okay, dapat confident ka na. Yellow po si pancreas. That's correct. Pancreas po secretes insulin. Okay, kapag merong diabetes. Okay? So ang term po na ginamit ni PRC, hindi lang diabetes, kundi diabetes mellitus. Okay? Diabetes mellitus. Okay? Alright, si pancreas po dyan, okay, nag-secrete ng insulin. Okay, so yung isa, tama po, that is liver. Okay, liver po yung isa. Okay, liver po secretes bile. Okay, liver secretes bile. Alright, bile. Alright, it. Alright. So kapag may iron deficient po yung person, okay, si liver po mag-secrete ng bile. Okay? So please take note of that. Anong isi-secrete ni pancreas? Insulin. Anong isi-secrete ni liver? Bile. Okay? Alright, that's correct. Now let's go to the last one. Okay, number 15. The history of the earth has been divided by scientists into eras. Which of the following shows the arrangement of these eras into the proper sequence from the oldest to the most recent? Is it A, Precambrian, Mesozoic, Cenozoic, Paleozoic? Letter B, Paleozoic, Cenozoic, Precambrian, Mesozoic. Letter C, Cenozoic, Mesozoic, Paleozoic, Precambrian. Or letter D, Precambrian, Paleozoic, Mesozoic, or Cenozoic. Okay, di po. Are you sure? Okay, so tama po kayo, letter D po. Okay, sa mga hindi pa nakasagot nito or wala pang alam, wala pang knowledge sa eras, okay? Letter D po. Okay, so sa mga wala pang knowledge, I will give you mnemonics. 'Di ba? Ang swerte. Kapag nag-subscribe kayo, marami kayong matutunan ng mnemonics sa amin. Alright, so bigyan ko kayo ng mnemonics dito. Okay, Precambrian, Paleozoic, Mesozoic, Cenozoic. Okay, ito po yung mnemonics natin. Okay? So, meron kang pare. Pare or pre, pay me centavo. Okay? Pre, pay me centavo. Okay, what is pre? Pre is Precambrian. Pay is Paleozoic. Okay? Me is Mesozoic. And centavo is Cenozoic. Diba? Madali lang. Okay, again, pay me centavo. Okay, Precambrian, Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic. Okay, heart naman dyan if marami namang natutunan ngayon. Okay, comment hearts naman. Alright. Okay, so please take note of this kasi very important po kapag nag-aaral po kayo. Okay, so dapat gagawa kayo ng mga mnemonics, okay, na effective para sa inyo. Alright, heart. Thank you so much po sa mga hearts na iyan. Wala pang nagbigay sa akin yan. Charis, okay? Alright, so I guess tapos na po ako. Okay. So, Teacher V?
Yes, okay. So, share ko muna uli. Okay. So, yung announcement po namin. One moment. Saan na yun? So, papasukin mo na si Teacher Nikki, Teacher Echo.
Okay,
Magkatabi
pasok
kayo.
Teacher Nikki, okay. Actually, si Teacher Nikki nandito siya sa tabi. Sorry po, kasi...
Katabi po kami.
Yes.
I-add mo
Kasi
nga yung
yung...
presentation, Teacher Echo.
Yes.
Yes. So, once again po, thank you so much sa mga naka-attend sa ating first new curriculum na discussion, di ba? Okay, so naway marami po kayong natutunan ngayong gabi. 3 hearts for Trio Top Notchers. We love you. We love you too po. Maraming salamat naman po. Okay, so once again po, sa mga gusto pong mag-avail ng aming diagnostic exam for November 19, and the rationalization will be November 20. That's for only 50 pesos, 50, no? So invite niyo po yung mga friends ninyo na magti-take for the new curriculum. Okay, para matulungan natin sila. No? That's only 50 pesos, 150 items, Prof. Ed and Gen Ed. Okay? So, naway, marami po kayong natutunan ngayon. And then, huwag kalimutan po, okay, na mag-like, nawala sila. Okay, so huwag kalimutan na mag-like, share, and subscribe po sa aming YouTube channel para maging updated po sa mga live namin at mga videos na relevant for licensure examination for teachers. Okay, so maraming salamat po mga katrio sa mga dumalo. Naway marami po tayong natutunan ngayong gabi. Okay? Nawala na naman sila. Hindi talaga stable yung internet connection namin. So once again, please don't forget to like. Teacher Nikki?
Share.
Hello?
Share.
Alright, so hello, pasensya. Okay. Alright, so share lang kami ni Teacher Echo kasi. Okay, so mga katreyo, so please don't forget to share. Okay? Like.
And subscribe.
And
And subscribe
subscribe!
everyone.
Okay. So, hanggang sa muli kami po yung Trio Top Notchers, ang inyong lingkod. Marami pong salamat.
Thank you.
Di po
Thank
ako
you. See
makapag-send
you
ng
soon,
sticker dito.
guys.
Don't know why. Okay lang po. Next time. Don't worry. Thank you po, Ma'am Raquel. Thank you so much, everyone.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.